This is a powered sunshade for the Model Y glass roof from Hansshow. It regularly costs $690, but with code TESLAFLEX you can save 30%. Now, why would someone want to cover up the beautiful glass roof in the Model Y? If I somehow had a baby right now, I would want this to protect them from the sunlight, even though the roof is tinted pretty well. The cool thing about this sunshade is that you can control it from the front or from the back. If you have little kids and they find these buttons, this could be a problem. But you probably could just gaslight them into thinking that if they press that button, it ejects them from their seats because, kids believe anything. The sunshade itself is really easy to install and it's really non-invasive. That means if I want to take this out in the winter when it's not as hot, I can do that without any issues. It's really only being held up from the front and the back, but the front plates actually come out, so that's what makes it easy to take off. It gets power from the 12-volt outlet in the back, and all of the wiring for the sunshade is completely hidden from your view in the headliner. This is definitely not an accessory for everyone, but for some people they will find this really useful. I know Tesla employees watch my videos, so go tell the engineers to integrate something like this in the Model Y Juniper.